Hi guys, so in today's video I'm actually gonna do a don't call me angel look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I already did my brows and I just cleaned them up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start this video off. Her name is Angelic Beauty XO and she created this look right here, and I'm basically gonna recreate that and just do my own take on it. So if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. First palette I'm going in with is ouuiii Cosmetics. This is a Reina de Caribe Volume 1 Cocoa Taxi right here, and I'm using her ouuiii Cosmetics brush. Shout out to ouuiii. I started re-watching my videos and I realized that I wasn't really going too in-depth. So for today's video, I actually am going to do that. I actually tried the Loving Tan and it's kind of like drying up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, also skin update, my skin has been doing so much better since the last time you guys saw me, but I do want to say all I have left are acne scars. Other than that, everything else is great, so I'm just waiting for everything to go away. And you know, facials help a lot and stuff like that, but I will be doing an updated skincare routine whenever my skin finally like clears up. So I'm just gonna go in doing like patting motions in this outer corner. I don't set my concealer because the color does stand out a little bit more when you do that. Once you build up the color right here, you want to go in towards the crease. This is gonna be your transition color. I really like how my brows came out today. Shout out to that, literally. Shout out to Lash Up and More for doing my brows. She is my new brow lady and I'm very happy with her. Honestly, I've recommended her to a couple of people already and they're absolutely obsessed. I think she's very talented. So if you guys live in the Miami, Florida area, I would highly recommend you check her out. Her Instagram is Lash Up and More. So if you're interested and getting that fleeky brow look, that Instagram brow, then go and follow her and book your appointment. I'm just repeating the same step on this eye, just patting motions all across. The next color I'm gonna go in with is Cafecito, this one right here. And I'm using the B Bella brush. This is in NG344. I do want to mention my brushes more because I don't know, I just want my videos to be a little bit more detailed so you guys can like, you know, go out there and know which brushes you like, learn the correct techniques and stuff like that. So basically all I'm doing is dragging this across my crease and I'm just going back and forth and in circular motions as well. I'm gonna be doing a cut crease. So just like you guys saw in the picture earlier, I literally have stains everywhere from makeup. I really just want to blend in that color and give some definition to my eye really. So that way when we cut the crease, it'll look all cute or whatever and you can see like the difference. I'm gonna go back in with Cocoa Taxi and just blend that out a little bit. Now I just switched up my brush. This is a Profusion brush. Their brushes are actually really good and they come with almost every palette that they have. Their palettes are only like $10.99, so it's a plus to get this little brush in there. And their quality is pretty good as well. It's drugstore. I believe you could find it like in Target. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to my other eye. I kind of want to go in with my Juvia's Place palette, so I'm gonna go in with Yodit. This is from the Warrior palette. So I feel like that color really brought everything together. I know I look crazy right now, my hair's not even done, but it's just because I want to really transform and show you guys how I look at the end. If you hear background noise, I'm watching a show. I'm actually watching Euphoria and it's okay so far. Like, I don't understand the hype for it because, you know, it's okay. But I really like this color, like how it looks with the ouuiii palette. I think they really complement each other. And I'm just dragging this across like my whole crease just to blend everything out and get the right amount of everything. And now I want to go in with ouuiii, which is this color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer to cut my crease. This is just a Born This Way concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what I do to this eye once the crease is cut, and then I'm gonna do my other eye off camera just so I don't waste your time really. I'm gonna go in with my ouuiii Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use a Costa, and this is just gonna be for the top part of the crease or the cut crease. I'm using a smaller, more defined brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Deetz, and this is just gonna create like a wing effect type of thing. So I'm just getting really close to my lash line and just dragging it upward. I don't really want to bring it too close in, but I do want to give like that saturation. So with whatever is left on the brush, you could bring it towards the inner crease. But like I said, we want to keep the color that we put on first. And now I'm just gonna go in with La Costa again and put that right on top because I feel like it faded away a little bit. Just where the line starts is where I'm putting it. That way it's like really clean. Now I'm gonna use my Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Gold Goddess. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of these like right in the border. And you really want to work with that really fast because it does dry up. I'm using my NYX white liquid liner, and with this I'm gonna create like an actual wing, literally like an angel, and you really just want to follow a line straight across. So I'm just gonna map it out really quick. And from here you really just want to create little wings going outward. That's pretty accurate. And now I want to go in with my Stila glitter. I'm going to put this in the back of my hand and I'm just going to play with it to make like a line right on top of the wing. Okay, so now I put on lashes. These are Saucy Lashes in Taboo. I'm going to go ahead and use this serum. This is a daytime serum by Bliss. It's called the Glow and Hydrate. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it says it helps with blemishes and stuff. I'm going to be using the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush. This is a moisturizer. It's really good for any type of skin really, but it does have a lot of vitamin C products in there. I think it has 3 sources of it, so it helps to brighten up your skin. I'm just using a little bit of that. So for foundation, I'm using the Born This Way foundation. This is in the color Warm Beige. I think this is a perfect color with my tan. It looks pretty good. I want to use my Hoola bronzer. This is a Tantour in the shade Light. I'm going to go ahead with my Artiste brush and blend that all out. Now to set that all in place, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just like to flip it, tap tap, and open it. I like to set like around my nose and just like right here. I'm also gonna be setting this because I put a little bit of concealer here. I'm gonna use use my Hoola bronzer to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to use my Tarte blush in the shade Epic. Girl, we be hitting pan over here. I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer to contour my nose a little bit. My Enshlie highlight. This is my ColourPop Lippie pencil in BFF2. I'm gonna try to do like what Orpha Zainati does. I saw one of her tutorials the other day and I kind of just want to see if it works for me. I'm gonna blend this out with my Elo Cosmetics lip pencil. On top of that, I have a couple of ColourPop Lippies. I've never tried their actual Luxe lipsticks, so I'm not sure which one I want to go in with, but let's try them out and see. My favorite one ended up being Quickie, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I quickly want to mention how creamy these are. It feels so soft. I love it. Alright guys, so that is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my Don't Call Me Angel look, and it's kind of like a Victoria's Secret model situation. I have this little thing going on right here. It's really cute. It's a little bralette. I'm holding this up with my hands just because the way that it was made is kind of weird and it makes it go all the way like down here. So you can't really tell. So I'm just holding it with my hands. Sorry about my camera turning off. It did turn off a lot, but I'm pretty sure you guys got the eye part, which is the important part. I do have like on both ends the wing. I love how this look turned out. I did get my Loving Tan. This is the first time I use a self tanner, so I don't know how it looks. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next one, which will appear right here.